What's the meaning of cosmic? Cosmic. Cosmic.
Cosmic. Cosmic. The word cosmic generally refers to things that are related to the universe or cosmos as a whole, including concepts like outer space, galaxies, and stars. It can also suggest something of great significance or scale, beyond our ordinary human experiences. The word cosmic often connotes ideas like vastness, incomprehensibility, and awe-inspiring beauty. Overall, cosmic is a word that evokes a sense of grandeur and mystery, pointing towards the infinite expanse of space and the wonders that lie beyond our planet Earth.